Okay, so most people connect Claude Code to their tools by copy-pasting. Open the issue tracker, copy the ticket, paste in chat. Same with the database. Same with the dashboard. There is a one-liner that ends all of that. And honestly, I wish I'd run it the first day I had Claude Code. It's called the Model Context Protocol, open source standard. Think of it as a translator that lets Claude speak any tool's language. Without it, Claude only sees what you paste into chat, which is, a tiny window into your work. With it, Claude can read linear tickets, query Stripe revenue, hit your Postgres database, even pull a frame straight out of Figma. Live data, real actions, no copy-paste in between, and the way you turn it on is one command. 6 words. Claude, MCP, add, -- transport, HTTP, then a name, then a URL. That is genuinely all of it. The name is whatever you want to call this connection inside Claude Code. The URL is the official MCP endpoint for the tool. Anthropic hosts a long list of these on the Claude Code docs page, and you just copy the line straight from there. Here is the actual page. Claude Code Docs Model Context Protocol section. Look at this. Linear, Stripe, Notion, Figma, Cloudflare, Supabase, Vercel, Hugging Face. Each one with the exact command sitting right there. Pick one, paste it, you are connected. Right, so let me show you what that actually changes. Before, you would open Linear in a browser, find the ticket, copy the description, paste it into Claude Code, then ask Claude to implement it. 5 steps, 3 context switches. Half an hour gone before any code is written. After, you run Claude MCP add for Linear once. And from that point on, you just say, hey, build the feature in ENG 4521. Claude reads the ticket itself, pulls the acceptance criteria, writes the code, opens the PR. Same task, 1 prompt instead of 5. The handoff between you and the tool just disappears. And here is the bit that flipped it for me. You can stack these. Add Linear. Add GitHub. Add your Postgres MCP. Now, 1 prompt does the whole loop. Claude reads the ticket from Linear, queries your actual database to figure out the schema, writes the migration, opens the PR on GitHub with a clean commit message. 3 tools. 1 prompt. The thing that used to eat an afternoon, done before lunch. I did not see that coming the first time it worked. Quick word of caution before you go wild. Anthropic puts this in a big yellow warning on the docs page, and they are absolutely right to. Trust the MCP server you install. An MCP that fetches untrusted content can prompt inject your session, which is a real risk, not theoretical. Stick to first-party servers from the official Anthropic list when you can. So that is the whole thing. 1 command. Stack what you need. Skip the rest. Go install one today. Linear is the easiest first win, honestly. Run the command. Restart Claude Code. Ask it about a ticket, and watch it just work. We're going deep on Claude. Grow with us. Like, subscribe, comment what you think.